Abraham Lincoln made a difference in the USA by abolishing slavery and winning the Civil War. He also delivered the Gettysburg Address, which reminded the citizens that the Declaration of Independence promised that everyone should have equal rights. Honest Abe, which people called him because he was so honest, was so famous because he tried to change the minds of people about slavery because he thought it was wrong, and succeeded. Since Abe abolished slavery, some Southerners started to hate him and tried to kidnap him. But on April 14, 1869, Lincoln's guard at Ford's Theater left and an actor named John Wilkes Booth snuck into Ford's at about 10:30. Booth went to the president's box and shot Abe. At 7:22 the next morning, Abe died in his fight for slavery. Abe was brave because he fought and determined because he never lost hope. I admire Abe because he abolished slavery by winning the war and made a big difference in the USA. My props are broken chains because Abe abolished slavery and a cannon because he fought in the Civil War.